Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning back into our video. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. Today I'm coming at you with another laundry motivation video. You guys seem to love them, so we're just going to continue to film them for you. As you can see, the kids' laundry is always out of control, but my laundry room is out of control right now. I have piles of laundry everywhere, all over the floor. I have laundry on top of the counter, so we are just going to get it together today. Now, these are my favorite products that I use all the time, but I'm going to be trying 2 new products here. Let me know down below if you have tried these products before and how you like them. So I'm going to give you my opinion of them a little bit later on in the video. So what I just did was I took my husband's laundry out of the dryer, and now I'm adding Amori's first load back into the dryer because I left her clothes in the basket because I just forgot to fold them. So I'm just doing like a 10-minute little fluff up just to get those wrinkles out. Now I'm working on her second load of laundry. And as everyone knows from my other videos, I go through every single item of all of my kids' clothes and I look for stains because, you know, kids are just messy. So any stains, I do spray them with Shout, and then I just make sure that none of the clothes are inside out. Now, the Shout is amazing for me, but some of the stains the Shout just isn't able to get. So this is why I wanted to try the OxiClean. It's like a little bit of powder, and you just put it at the bottom of your washer, add your clothes in, and then do your detergent like normal. So we'll see how the OxiClean worked for these stains for today. And just a little tip, I set a timer now. I love this tip because a lot of the times I forget about the laundry or it's just sitting for like a couple of hours. So now I know as soon as my timer goes off, it's time to go back upstairs and get the laundry and switch the loads around. So that has worked for me just to kind of keep on top of it. So hopefully it'll work for you as well. Now, these are my 2 older girls, Ava and Araya. Ava is 7, Araya is 10. And yes, they do sort their laundry. Now, they don't do it all of the time. It's just when I feel like I need a little bit of help, or, you know, if we're giving it to them for one of their chores. They are excellent with sorting. As you know as well, I do sort by textures, and the girls are learning this now. So I sort by their thicker clothes like sweatshirts, hoodies, jeans, and then they have their pajamas, underwear, socks, and then they have their school clothes. So that's how they're sorting. So they're just helping mama right now. But I'm not gonna keep rambling on. I just kind of wanted to do that little introduction for you guys. And if you have some laundry, go do it with me, put on some music, or you can listen to the music that I have in this video, and we are just gonna tackle this together. I will be back a little bit later on in the video just to kind of check in and let you know kind of where I'm at, and also talk to you about some of the products to see if they ended up working for me. All right, I'll see you guys later. Okay, so here is one of the shirts that I showed you guys in the beginning, and the Shout and the OxiClean did amazing with getting out most of the stains, but as you can see, there's still these orange stains on her shirt. And what I've been figuring out is that whenever Amori eats mandarin oranges, which she absolutely loves mandarin oranges and just all fruit, but something in that juice stains her clothes so bad and they never come out. And I just don't understand why. But I mean, the Shout, the OxiClean, like it didn't help at all. And her shirt is just like now stained with mandarin orange juice. So I don't know if it's just a particular kind that we get or if I'm doing something wrong, but if you guys have any suggestions on how to get out mandarin orange juice, then please definitely let me know. But we just find it so funny and so odd, you know, that particular fruit just permanently almost stains the clothes. So I just wanted to pop in since I am now clearly folding towels, but I don't know if I ever asked you guys this question before, but how do you fold your towels? Because I am a very, I fold my towels a very specific way. So I'm actually going to put a little graphic on the screen, and there is the option 1, option 2, or option 3. I am a number 2 girl. Like my towels have to be folded this way. I think that number 1 is just too sloppy. And then number 3 is rolling, but I've never actually tried rolling my towels, but I feel like I wouldn't like it. So I just always stick to number 2 always. So I wanted to just ask you guys this question: how do you fold your towels? Or maybe you fold your towels in a different way than 1, 2, or 3. And if you do, definitely let me know. But yes, answer the question: how or which way, Amori's in the background, which way do you fold your towels? Okay, so as you have watched, I'm just finishing up Ava and Araya's clothes right now with folding those. And as you know, it was the next day. I didn't get all of this stuff done in one day because it never gets done in one day. But yeah, I'm just finishing up their laundry. And this was actually the last load of actual clothes that I did. But you'll see here in just a little bit that I did end up washing a lot of Amori's like covers. So I was starting to pack up a lot of her baby stuff because she's 1 now. So we had a sit me up chair. So I washed that cover, and then her Mamaroo was still just out. So I took that apart, and then I washed the cover that was in the Mamaroo. And then I also washed her high chair cover because, you know, that was getting all gross and stuff from her eating now. So that was the last load of the day. And then I just packed away all of her baby stuff. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my laundry motivation videos, and hopefully you guys continue to watch these and love them. If you have any questions or concerns or advice or tips or anything like that regarding the laundry, I know I had a couple of questions earlier, definitely leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.